Yes, hi people. How are you doing? I hope that welcome so much. Welcome so much. Welcome so much. So we have our material on presentation. As you can see, the presentation. Yes, and this is good. This is all about transport. Transport in Kikuyu is ogedi, and this is part number 2. First, before we begin our lesson today, I want to appreciate all those who are supporting me through uh, personalized classes, which are personalized just for you, so that maybe you can learn faster. These are paid classes, and you are much welcome to subscribe through the number that are going down here. Okay, yeah. You can contact me on 07183178877 or email me at martinkarali@gmail.com. So thank you so much. Um, Thank you also for those who are commenting, sharing the content, and I do appreciate all the effort of you who take your time to view my content. God bless you. So in Ogedi, so in the first lesson, we had basically had a lesson on transport on Ogedi, and in that lesson, we learned about some terms that are used in transport, part of a car, and other items that are commonly used in transport. We also learned that Ogedi means transport. This lesson builds on that last lesson. Okay, yeah. So basically, to being able to make some simple conversation when you go to maybe a bus stop or when you are asking for an Uber and all that. So first we start by learning several terms. One term is wera. Wera is work. Dodeka means fix. Gokua carry. Magoro literally it means feet, but it also means tires. Okay. Dukuru it means school. Goro expensive. Raidi cheap. Bia money. Fetro petrol. Didoro diesel. Going on to other vocabulary and terms. Godhie go. Goka come. Gotwarithia drive. Oiro oil. Grivi grease. Maguta gas. Thutha back. Mbere front. Matawa lights. Kifara steering wheel. Bureki brakes. Kirashi crash. Thank you so much. So let's try and do some practice here. If you want to ask someone where they are going, you ask in Kikuyu, you ask them, Wadhieko, and then the person will say, Dadhie, maybe if to a school, Dadhie dhukuru, I'm going to school. Dadhie dhibitari, I'm going to the hospital. Dadhie wera, I'm going to work. Dadhie guthaka mufira, I'm going to play football. Guthaka is to play. Further practice. Dadhie mugoda, I'm going to the farm. Dadhie githaka, I'm going to the forest. A short conversation here for a passenger and a tout. So assuming you are a passenger and you are boarding a car, you want first confirm the details. You are not sure. So the passenger, as the passenger, you ask, maybe if you want to ask where the cars are going. Ngari cia guthie Murang'a cioyagirwo ku? That is to ask, where can I pick matatus to Murang'a? And then the tout will give you cioyagirwo tea room cioyagĩrwo tea room. They are picked at a place called tea room. Mũrarĩhia mbia cigana? That's to say, charging, how much is the fare? And then the person will tell you, turarĩhia magana matano. Turarĩhia magana matano. That is to say, our fare is 500 Kenya shilling. And then, let's go on. Then maybe you can ask, ngari ĩno ĩgũkinya Murang'a thaa cigana? At what time will this car get to Murang'a? And then, I will tell you, ĩgũkinya thaa 4 cia rũcinĩ. It will get there by 10 a.m. Second conversation. A mother and her son, Mwangi. Mwangi jeteria Uber. Mwangi jeteria Uber. Mwangi, can you request an Uber for me? Ukwenda ndĩmere ũrathiĩ kũ? Where do you want me to give us your location or where you are going? Andĩka Riverside. Just right. Riverside. Uber ĩroka thutha wa ndagĩka 10. Uber is coming after 10 minutes. Ĩrarĩhia mbia cigana? How much are they charging? Ĩrarĩhia ciringi 1,000. It is charging 1,000 Kenya shilling. Then we have the third conversation, father and her daughter Mobi. No ũgũtwarithagia ngari ĩno. Who was driving this car? Nĩ Kamau na Ngari. It is Kamau and Ngari. Mere moke haha. Nĩ moragire matawa ma mbere ma na maita ũiro. Tell them to come here. They shattered the front lights and spilled oil. Ngari ĩyo ndĩrĩ na breki. Maringithirie rũgiri ya rũgama. That car has no brakes. They hit the wall and the car stopped. Ona kĩraci nĩ gĩthũku na ndĩrĩ na mbia cia kũmĩthondekithia. Even the crash is spoiled and I don't have money to take the mechanic to repair it. Nĩguo baba, ona magũrũ nĩ makũrũ. That's true, dad or father. Even the wheels are old. Practice of sounds. Ga, ye, gi, go, gu, ye, go. Practice. Ga, garura,